Hi you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting this channel by clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this 5x5 glueless lace closure wig. This is definitely going to be an easy install. This wig is 18 inches and it has HD lace. The knots on this wig was slightly bleached, and honestly you didn't have to do much plucking, but I went ahead and plucked some more just to customize the hairline. It was a couple spots that I felt like could have been bleached a little better, but it was fine for me and fine for anybody who's not interested in doing a lot of work. And I'm just doing the regular plucking method where you just pluck behind the hairline and then slightly in the front. So I'm not going to do the ball cap method, but I am going to put a cap on my head just to hold my hair back. Make sure you use some alcohol to remove any oils or makeup from the area that you're going to be applying your wig. And I use lace tint spray, and I'll make sure I list it down below. I find that using spritz and a hot comb works better for me than using a wax stick. To me, it makes your hair lay flatter. If you do decide to use spritz, just make sure you don't use too much because you know it makes your hair hard. So this is a glueless wig, so you don't have to add glue like I'm doing. I'm just going to be wearing it for a few days, so I wanted to add glue. But if you don't add glue, this wig comes with 3 combs installed and 2 different bands, so it's going to be tight and snug. You don't have to worry about it moving. And if you just want extra security around the lace, you can just use hairspray.
Dollars in this.
So even though the hair is pretty at its original length, I wanted to cut it and give myself another bob. I've been feeling bobs lately, so that's what we're gonna do.
Dollars in this.
Y'all, when I tell y'all curling this hair was so easy, like This is the best hair that I ever had that holds a curl really well. I've been wearing this hair for about like 3 days so far, and the same curls are still in it, and it looks exactly the same.
Dollars in lose.
So guys, after you take your elastic band off, and if you see like a little white cast from the glue or the spray, you can just take a cotton ball with a little alcohol on it and just slightly go over it. Don't rub it aggressively because it will loosen the glue or spray. Just a little, just to take away the white cast. Yeah, so this hair is beautiful. Like, I'm loving how these curls turned out. Like I said, they've been lasting for a while now without a touch up. So if you guys love this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.